Here's the iPad Air with the M4 chip. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is go ahead and turn it on, press and hold that power button and wait till it boots up. Once it boots up, you should be here at this welcome screen. Bottom side here, you want to go ahead and swipe up. Go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English. And I'm in the US, United States. Appearance, your text and icons, you want it small, default, medium, or large. I'm going to go with medium here, and I will tap on continue. You can quickly set up your iPad by bringing your current phone or iPad near this to sign in with your Apple account. If you want to do that, go ahead and bring over your iPhone or iPad. But for me, this is a new, clean, fresh install, so I'm going to set up without another device. I'm going to go ahead and choose my Wi-Fi now. I'm going to enter my Wi-Fi password. Then I'm going to tap on enter. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Software update. Now you can update now or you can do it later. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and finish all the setup and then I'll do the software update at the end. So for myself, I'll just update later. Data and privacy. Go ahead and read through all that. You can learn more down here. Once you read it all, go ahead and tap on continue. Age range, who is this iPad for? For me, it's for myself, so I'm going to tap on adult down here. Here's the Touch ID, basically a fingerprint password. You can set this up later, never do it, or just set it up later. For myself, I'm going to set this up right now, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue. And I'm going to start it by using the power button up here. I'm just going to put my finger on it, and now I'm just going to let me just keep on going until it fills up with red. So up, down, all over. Eventually you're going to want to get the corners of your finger. Oh, almost there. Oh, there we go. Oh, not quite done. It says almost done now. Now I got to do a little bit more. It's going to keep on going. Okay, there we go. My finger's been added. Let's go ahead and tap on continue there. And now it says you can add another fingerprint. You want to add another fingerprint, you can do it now, or you can do it after setup, or you can never do it. For me, I'll just tap on setup later in settings, and I'm never going to do it. Now I got to create a passcode here, or basically a password. You got a passcode options here, and you can do whatever you want up here. I'm going to keep it myself for the 6 digits. Let me choose a passcode. Okay, and it's asking me to re-enter it one more time. And now it's moving. See a little spinny thing. Transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like your photos, notes, reminders onto your new device, okay? So if you want to transfer all your stuff from your other phone, or it could be from an iCloud backup, it could be from another iPad or iPhone, it could be from a Mac or a Windows PC or computer, or it could be from an Android phone or an Android tablet, okay? Or for myself, like I said, a clean slate for me, so I'm going to go with don't transfer anything. Also note that you can transfer things after you're done the setup as well, okay? Now here is asking for the Apple ID account. I don't know my password, so I'm just gonna do this at another time. For myself, I'll just put forget password, and I'll just set up later in settings at another time. Don't use for now. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through all that. If you agree, tap on agree. Update your iPad automatically, read through that, you can continue or only download automatically. For myself, I'm going to go with continue. Location services, go ahead and read through that. You can turn it off or you can leave it off or set it up later and do it later as well. For myself, I'm just going to turn it on. Screen time here, you can read through that. I'm not worried about screen time, so I just skip that. Set up later in settings. iPad analytics, so you can share with Apple or don't share. This is optional, it really doesn't matter. For me, I'll just go with share. App analytics, read through that, and this is the same as optional. You can share with app developers or not share. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. For me, I will share with them. Your display, do you like it light or dark, or do you want to have it on auto? Okay, for myself, I like mine on dark, like that, and I will tap on continue. Apple Intelligence, go ahead and read through that, then tap on continue. Summarize notifications, you can go read through that and you can choose notifications summarize if you wish. For me, I'm just going to choose not now. I'm not even worried about that. Priority notifications, you can go ahead and turn on priority notifications from here, or you can just do not now. For me, I'm not really worried about that. So here is your Siri, okay? You can set it up later, or you can never do it, or you can set it up now. For me, I like Siri. I will tap on continue. And then I'm just gonna have to read what it says here, okay? So I'm gonna tap on continue. Just read that, type to Siri. You can double tap the bottom edge of the screen to type your request as well. I will continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. All right, read through that, and then we're gonna continue. Select the Siri voice you want.
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky.
The colors
I
of
like
the sky
number
fade
4,
with the setting sun.
and I
As
will
the
tap on
start,
continue. Improve Siri dictation. This is optional, up to you. You can share or not share. For me, I'm gonna go with not now. Multitasking window. Do you want to use this? Full screen apps like this, or over here? Which one do you want? Okay, for myself, I will go with full screen and Windows app. I will tap on continue. And voila. Now from the tap on get started here. And guys, we are in business. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do the software update. Go to settings, software update here. Anyway, we're up and running. Questions or issues, just comment below.